English vocabulary words for dance from espressoenglish.net. Ballet. Ballet is a classical type of dance. It can be danced solo, in pairs, or in groups. The T in ballet is silent. Ballroom dance is danced with a partner. The category of ballroom dance includes many styles such as waltz, tango, foxtrot, swing dance, samba, rumba, cha-cha, and mambo. Belly dance, a Middle Eastern style of dance which focuses on movements of the torso, abdomen, and hips. Break dance, an acrobatic style of dancing that is associated with hip-hop music. Modern dance or contemporary dance mixes elements of traditional ballet with other styles and new innovations. Salsa has strong Latin American influence, especially from Cuba and Puerto Rico. It is danced in pairs. Samba originated in Brazil and is famous for appearing in the Brazilian Carnival. Tango is a close partner dance that originated in Argentina. Tap dance. Tap dancers use special shoes to make percussive rhythms when their feet hit the floor. Folk dance. The category of folk dance includes traditional dances that are part of a culture. Folk dances are danced by ordinary people and usually learned in community. To continue improving your vocabulary, take the English vocabulary course available at espressoenglish.net. It will help you increase your vocabulary and improve your fluency. You'll learn hundreds of words on many different topics with practice exercises to help you remember them.